Well, our weather photo contest continues, and this photo came across the inbox, and I decided I needed to share this with you, taken on Fogle Island and Tilting before pack ice season moved in, taken by Jeanette Benoit. Jeanette, thank you very much for sharing that picture with me and with us. If you've got photos like that, you can visit our website and enter the weather photo contest at ntv.ca. You do that, you're in the grand prize draw for a 2023 Subaru BRZ from Capital Subaru, located at 150 Kenmount Road in St. John's. The contest ends on April 12th with the grand prize draw happening on the 17th on the air, live on the NTV Evening News Hour. And remember, you can enter more than once, but only one entry per person per day. Futurecast will start us off this evening, 7 o'clock. And as we can see, not really a whole lot on the go tonight. Winds are going to be out of the north, so some areas of central, northeastern, eastern Newfoundland will see some pockets of flurries, snow showers, and yes, some freezing drizzle, and maybe even some fog patches too, but this should not be as widespread as it was last night. Into Labrador, some light snow from the Churchill Valley back to Labrador City by tomorrow morning. Throughout the day tomorrow, more snow pushing into the Happy Valley Goose Bay area, but the bulk of Labrador is quiet. The bulk of Newfoundland is quiet, and we may even see widespread sunny breaks by tomorrow afternoon for areas of interior, central, and eastern Newfoundland, while western areas will see clouds increasing and the snow beginning to arrive in the southwest tomorrow night. But notice as we look across the Cabot Strait, there's some ice and there's some rain down toward Cape Breton Island in Nova Scotia. That is a harbinger of things to come, if you will. So by Saturday evening, we are watching this area of low pressure in southern Quebec. Out ahead of it, we've got snow working into Labrador and the very messy weather working across the island. Saturday night into Sunday, Newfoundland will see snow going to freezing rain and going to rain for many areas south and east come Sunday morning. So we will see a little bit of snow, it looks like, to start the day Sunday, but even central we'll see that end as rain. Western Newfoundland looks like primarily snow mixing with rain at times. In the mountains, it's going to be a significant amount of snow. By Sunday evening, much of Labrador seeing snow north of this lowest track, and this area of low pressure is not going to move anywhere very quickly. In fact, by Monday evening, it's wrapped up off the coast of Labrador. You can see the pressure there, the darker blue, the lower the pressure. And behind it, we're going to see intense snow squalls across western Newfoundland Monday and snow lingering along the coast of Labrador Monday and potentially into Tuesday. But this low is going to bring the first significant snowfall to much of Labrador for the first time in, I think, at least a couple of weeks, if not several weeks. So how much snowfall are we talking about? On the island from late Saturday through Monday, not a whole lot, a few centimeters here or there. There was supposed to be a pause point there. A few centimeters here or there. The most across western Newfoundland, 5-10 centimeters more in the high terrain. In Labrador, however, it's going to be a different story. A widespread 20-30 plus centimeters, perhaps between 30 and 50 in Churchill Falls, Goose Bay, and up toward the coast as well, especially just inland. So get ready for some snow across Labrador from later Sunday through Monday, and in some areas it may linger into Tuesday. Eastern Newfoundland tonight, 0 to -1 for the overnight lows. The weather is pretty quiet, minus the freezing drizzle. For the day tomorrow, some sunny breaks by in the afternoon, highs 1 to 4, warmest in the south. Western half of Newfoundland tonight, temperatures between -1 and -6, except near 0 on the northern peninsula around St. Anthony. And for the day tomorrow, highs between 2 and 4, warmest along the west coast, around Deer Lake, and on the southwest coast around the Stephenville area. Into Labrador overnight, temperatures falling into the -teens in the west and warmer in the east and southeast for the day tomorrow, highs between 0 and -8. Your 5-day forecast for eastern Newfoundland. Sunday, freezing rain changing to rain as temps rise to 5. Monday, Tuesday, quiet, and looking at the potential for some flurries on Wednesday. For central, rain on Sunday after a little bit of snow or ice Saturday night. A quiet Monday with flurries and a cooler Tuesday and Wednesday with respect to the wind chill. Western Newfoundland, rain going to snow later Sunday, intense snow squalls and flurries Monday, lingering into Tuesday, and some flurries on Wednesday. And for Labrador in the west, looking at snow through Sunday. In the east, snow potentially lingering later Monday into Tuesday.